Choose Sentry Air Systems Inc. for top quality industrial mist collectors. Sentry Air's source capture mist collectors are compact and powerful. Use them to filter oil mist, water mist, and coolant mist produced by industrial processes. These industrial mist collectors can be mounted directly onto the machinery to capture mist at its source. These units are popular for CNC machines, but you can also use them for other machines that may produce oil, water, and coolant mist. A lack of external exhaust or ducting makes the source capture mist collectors a breeze to install. They offer quiet operation, energy efficiency, long-term reliability, and minimal maintenance. These units filter via a 3-filter system, a cleanable mist pre-filter, a carbon pre-filter, and a main filter with customizable options. The washable mist pre-filter collects mist and drains oil back into the machine system to be repurposed or recycled depending upon its application. The carbon pre-filter serves as a MERV 7 layer to protect the main filter. The main filter is available in 3 options: ASHRAE, HEPA, or ULPA. Call 800-799-4609 or visit sentryair.com to learn more about the entire lineup of industrial mist collectors.